I am up in my bedroom today because my husband is home with COVID, which is a little bit dreary. I wanted to talk to you today about my Healthy Lunchbox Love cookbook because I have got a special on it for school holidays coming up. My name is Wick Nixon from Wicked Wellbeing, and I'm all about healthy eating made easy. Now, quite a few of you commented on my knitted top on my video last week. This is actually the same pattern, but it's just a mushroom mauvey color, and just absolutely adore it. So if you're looking for a nice, quite simple pattern to make, then just let me know. So I have got 20% off my Healthy Lunchbox Love cookbook at the moment until tomorrow night at midnight. I know that school holidays are coming up. We're halfway through the year. School lunchboxes can be getting rather dreary, and so I wanted to give you a special so that you've got, if you order before tomorrow night, then I can get it on a courier and your kids can be experimenting over the school holidays and finding out what they like, and then just, you know, really reinvigorating the lunch boxes, because it is quite challenging, you know, when you're stuck with ideas, and often if we find something that the kids like, we just put it in their lunch boxes all over and over again, and then they end up getting sick of it. So I just wanted to show you a little bit about what's inside. As I say, it's 20% off. I will put the link in the comments box below, but if you head to wickedwellbeing.com/book2 and then use the code wicked20, that will give you 20% off. However, so in here there's a selection of sweet, savory, there's also dinners, and there's also desserts. So in terms of the savoury, we've got sushi rice balls, which is a really fun thing to make, especially in the school holidays. There's cream slices with topped with bacon. There's superseded crackers, the Vietnamese spring rolls. So it's a lot of this stuff can actually be used, you know, for lunches over the school holidays as well. There's Afghans, there's peanut brownies, there's coconut Dayton almond slice, nut-free protein balls. All the recipes have got are either gluten or dairy-free, or they have a gluten and dairy-free alternatives. There is loaves, as in a prune, walnut, and loaf. There's also dinners. So there's quesadillas, there's risotto, there's a beef and quinoa grill. Lots and lots of different ideas just to get some inspiration in the kitchen. So if you want to grab 20% off, it finishes tomorrow night at midnight. I will post the link in the comments box below. Now also, to team it up with a reusable baking sheet. Now, I have about 3 or 4 of these in the kitchen that we use all the time. So whenever we're baking biscuits, or I'm doing roasted vegetables, or you can use them on the barbecue, instead of using baking paper, I use, and it's this size, it's the size of a baking tray. It's FDA approved, so it's of the highest food standard, and it's absolutely fantastic. And all you do is you wash, because they're pliable. You can get silicone ones from, you know, Stevens, but they're too thick, and actually they're a lot smaller. So all you do is wash this under warm soapy water. You can then just dry it in a tea towel, or you can drape it over your dishes on your drying rack, and then I just store it rolled up like this in a old Glad wrap roll, and I have 3 of them in there, and then I've also got one cut up into a cake, you know, a cake tin. So I've got the circles, and just using off, you know, the off cuts of when I cut up the circle. So one would be suitable to do for a cake as well. So those are only $17.50. They're a great gift, and These come down to about just under $24. They're normally $29.95. So if you want to grab a copy of this, I will put the link in the comments box below. Just head to my website, go to store, and then you'll see cookbooks are under there, and use the code WICKED20 to get 20% off. But I will put I'll put it in the comments box below. The special finishes tomorrow night at midnight. Order today or tomorrow, and then you will get it couriered out and arrive for school holidays. So that's me for today. Just wanted to give you a little bit of inspiration for the school holidays, because I know that it can get quite challenging keeping the kids busy. So if you've got any questions, please sing out, and I will put that link and the code in the comments box below right now, and you can have a look. All right, see ya, bye.